Hi everyone, Carter, owner of Autorama Auto Sales here in Dickinson, North Dakota, AutoramaAuto.com. If you pay attention to us, you know we love Subarus. My employees drive them, my mom drives them. They're awesome, great gas mileage and super safe. Let me tell you about this 2017 Impreza Limited. That's the fancy one. This is no plain Jane bargain basement Impreza. It's crystal black with the metallic in it, has the black and silver factory rims, has the black leather interior, heated seats up front, power driver seat. You don't find that in hardly any Imprezas. Sunroof, has a big touch screen, shift paddles, has Subaru Eyesight, all the safety features, so many of them. Adaptive cruise, you name it. Clear Carfax, no accidents. You can see it at Autorama Auto Sales in Dickinson, North Dakota. Backup camera, CarPlay, you can show your cell phone on the screen. Oil's just been changed, comes with a balance of factory warranty. You just can't beat it. It's 10,000 bucks less than a new one. Has factory warranty on it yet. See it at Autorama Auto Sales, Dickinson, North Dakota. AutoramaAuto.com. Remember, we're the dealer without the outrageous hidden fees.